Well done on deciding to jump into the SQE, but now you have a problem. You realize you need support in choosing between the various SQE providers, but how do you do that? In this video, I explain what you should be looking for from an SQE provider, and I will present the offering of QLTS School. Stay till the end of the video to make sure you don't miss anything out, and let me know in the comments what your experience has been. What are SQE candidates, and specifically those for SQE1, looking for in a prep school?
There are 5 key questions
everybody should be asking potential prep school providers, and we're going to go through them one by one. Question 1. What are their sample questions like, and how close are they to the actual exams you're going to face in SQE1? Question 2. What sort of material are they providing you with? Are there in-house books, guidebooks, material, textbooks? How lengthy are they, and how are you supposed to go through them? What other study content is on offer? Are there pre-recorded lectures or podcasts that you can listen to? Question 3. Are there live classes, and do you get any one-on-one tutor support? If there is some tutor support, what is it like? Can you contact your tutor on your own initiative whenever you feel like it, and for how long? Are there set classes that you need to attend, and how many of those can you have? Are there any other types of asynchronous online interaction like discussion forums or community groups? Question 4. Literally the money question. How much does it cost? And if they offer different packages, what are the differences between those packages? And finally, one needs to ask, what sort of experience does the prep school have? Now that we've got an idea of the key questions that you should be asking potential prep schools, let's have a look at what QLTS School has to offer. QLTS School offers an extensive set of mock exams with 2,500 questions and over 30 mock tests that they make available to their candidates. There are 15 tests for FLK1 and 15 for FLK2 with 90 questions each that approximate the format and style of the SQE1 exam itself. You can access some samples of these tests by following the link down in the description. Question 2 was about material. QLTS School candidates are provided with summary notes. These cover the key points and major principles and are supported by 18 textbooks that cover the FLK for the SQE. In addition, there are over 5,000 digital flashcards and over 200 pre-prepared lectures on recording that one can watch. You can access samples of these recordings by following the links down in the description. Question 3 was about support. The study format is online support with the help of resources. There is also some tutor support available on some of the packages that they have available. QLTS will offer candidates an initial consultation to judge their level, needs, and how best to support them. A tutor will help them identify their knowledge levels, the kind of expertise that they've got, and assess how much time they're likely to need. This will allow everybody to have a personalized study plan and a pathway with targets that they're meant to meet as they're progressing towards their exam. In effect, candidates are provided with a roadmap to success that then has specific checkpoints. As I mentioned, some of the packages on offer will offer tutor support. The assigned tutor will be able to answer questions with up to 2 hours of contact time, and they will be a checkpoint with the tutor halfway through this roadmap to success. Question 4 was about cost. How much does all this cost? The package that will probably best fit the needs of the candidates is the one that has tutor support and the bulk of the material, including the tests, the mocks, and the pre-recorded lectures. This will cost just shy of £3,000. There are some less expensive options without tutor support and with less access to material that will cost either £2,000 or £2,500. If you have decided that you need tutor support and a prep school support in order to prepare for SQE1, QLTS School is a solid choice. QLTS School has been around for quite a while. In fact, I heard of them when I was helping candidates prepare for the Qualified Lawyers Transfer Scheme Assessment, the QLTS exam. This used to be what foreign qualified lawyers used to do to be able to qualify as solicitors in England and Wales. This came before the SQE, and in fact, it's quite interesting that the SRA based the new SQE exams on what the QLTS used to be. This offers anybody who was involved in the previous system a fantastic advantage in preparing candidates for the SQE, because it is a scheme and a system that they've been preparing for a long time. In a recent poll in our Facebook group, QLTS School was the second most popular choice amongst our community. Our Facebook community also has seen comments that characterize QLTS School questions as difficult but accurate and corresponding to the style of the actual exam. If you're not sure about the level of support that you need, or you're not even sure that you need support, have a look at the video linked down in the description where I discuss the things that you should be looking at to decide whether you can attempt this as an independent candidate or whether you should be signing on with a prep school. My recommendation to you is to have a good look at the website of QLTS School. Go through all their sample tests, look at all their sample resources, and then book a meeting with them to discuss your personal needs. If you want to compare their questions with the ones I produce, make sure to sign on to my weekly newsletter so you can get free, fresh MCQs every Monday into your inbox to help you with your preparation. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.